Snakes play an essential role in the ecosystem, as they are both predators and prey, helping to maintain a balance in the food chain. They control rodent populations, which can be harmful to crops and spread diseases, and are food for many other animals, including birds of prey and larger mammals. If we were to eliminate all snakes, it could lead to an imbalance in the ecosystem that could have far-reaching consequences. Furthermore, many species of snakes are endangered, and their removal from the ecosystem could further contribute to their decline. Also, several snake species are essential in medical research, and killing them could hinder progress in this field. Therefore, it is not advisable or ethical to kill all snakes. Instead, it's important to learn how to live with them peacefully and take steps to prevent unnecessary encounters. If you encounter a snake, it's best to leave it alone and call a professional wildlife removal service if necessary. Snakes play an important role in maintaining the biodiversity of their ecosystems. They are natural predators of many small animals, including rodents, insects, and other reptiles, and help to control their populations. For example, the absence of snakes in certain regions has led to an increase in rodent populations, which can result in crop damage and the spread of diseases such as Lyme disease. In addition to controlling prey populations, snakes are also important food sources for many other animals, including birds of prey, foxes, and other mammals. Removing snakes from an ecosystem could have a cascading effect on other species, ultimately leading to a loss of biodiversity. Moreover, some snake species have unique ecological roles. For example, some snakes are important seed dispersers, as they consume fruit and distribute seeds throughout their habitats. In some regions, snakes are also important pollinators, as they visit flowers to feed on nectar. Finally, as I mentioned earlier, many snake species are endangered, and their removal from the ecosystem could further contribute to their decline. Some species are threatened by habitat loss, while others are illegally hunted for their skin, meat, or for the pet trade. Conservation efforts are critical to protect these species and maintain the ecological balance they help to support.